Assalamualaikum. Here is Roshni with CID News Network Islamabad. Today's English headlines: FM Qureshi, Hanif Atmar discuss Afghan peace process. Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi telephoned his Afghan counterpart Muhammad Hanif Atmar and discussed bilateral relations and Afghan peace process. Foreign Minister Qureshi arrives in UAE on 3-day visit. Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi arrived in Dubai on a 3-day official visit to United Arab Emirates. LHC gives spilled ruling on Shehbaz Sharif's bail plea. Judges of Lahore High Court bench finally came up with a split decision on leader of the opposition in the National Assembly Shehbaz Sharif's release on bail. Academic activities for classes 9 to 12 resumed in COVID-hit areas, Shafqat Mahmood. Federal Minister for Education Shafqat Mahmood announced the resumption of academic activities for the classes 9th to 12th in order to ensure preparation for the scheduled board exam nationwide. Smart lockdown imposed in 10 areas of Rawalpindi. Amid the steep rise in coronavirus cases, at least 10 areas in Rawalpindi have been put under smart lockdown. Pakistan reached to procurement deal for China's CoronaVac vaccine. Pakistan has reached to an agreement for the procurement of China's CoronaVac vaccine. Pakistan registers highest COVID deaths since June last year. Pakistan has reported 149 deaths, making it the country's highest death toll in a single day since 29th June 2020. While the positivity rate of infection was recorded at 8.52%. EMD forecast rainfall with thunderstorm in upper areas of country. Pakistan Meteorological Department has forecast rain, wind, thunderstorm in Pothohar region, Upper Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Islamabad, Gilgit-Baltistan and Kashmir. This is the end of today's news. If you didn't subscribe our channel yet, please subscribe it, like it, share it and comment on it. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook. Take care and stay tuned with CID News Network Islamabad. Goodbye.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.